Hi, it's
Hey there.
Home Team Powell. Amy teaches Brent how to make Halloween fingers. Yes.
So, Home Team Powell, we do real estate, represent buyers and sellers, and we cook.
And we represent body parts.
Yeah, so please bear with us. We're just giving it a try, giving it a go, and if we should abandon this yesterday, please give us...
We'll all know quickly.
Yeah, okay.
Anyway, I would need the butter softened, so that would you unwrap it and put it in the bowl?
Okay.
Help. Just put it in the bowl. You're going to nuke it for 10 seconds.
I actually haven't practiced this word before. Okay, there we go.
Okay, 10 seconds.
Yes, ma'am.
That's good. Kind of soft. Put it in here. Now.
Do you want 3/4 cups sugar?
And I'll take the egg. Or you can crack the egg.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
I'm teaching you how to do this. So crack the egg and dump it in there. That was
Okay.
from the yard.
Garden.
The girls. Okay, I'm going to blend this, smooth it, rub it. Yeah, I know. The things we do. Yeah, okay.
Just dump it in there?
No, it has to be full.
Oh.
You go like this until it's right up and you get... Oh, goodness. Okay, that's half. So this is a recipe I have for nutmeg logs. And I make them, I form them into a long thing with nutmeg and rum flavoring. And then I frost them for Christmas, but I've adapted it for Halloween fingers. Stir, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'll get you vanilla. Or what flavor do you guys want? We have coconut, orange, lemon, anise, vanilla, more peppermint, and almond. We can do a little of vanilla and almond. So even though I'm teaching Brent, I'm going to do this part myself.
Should I be taking notes?
Yeah. I know I have a cookbook. Okay, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to go 1/2 teaspoon of... No, that was almond, sorry. And 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I want a little more
Almond.
almond flavor. I like almond flavor.
Don't they make a machine to do this?
Yeah, but it's over there. We're not going to do it.
Okay, I have 3/4 egg, 2 tablespoons,
Oh,
1 tablespoon rum.
well, we're skipping the rum.
Oh, what flavor do we use?
We have almond and
Oh.
vanilla.
So these aren't rum logs.
And now we need 2.5 to 3 cups of flour. You want to stir or you want me to measure?
I'll measure.
Well, let's start with, see here?
I think
Remember how you make the
you showed me,
alginate?
okay.
And here's the half.
Wasn't there a movie about that? Flowers for alginate?
Algernon.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see that, guys?
Yeah, it's a good movie. Cliff Robertson, yeah. I actually met him.
You were in a movie with him.
I was in a movie with him. That's my movie star period of my life. Very short. Very short period.
We still have that on our...
Yeah, terrible movie.
It's actually free on YouTube.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Put the link in the
It lasts
description.
Yeah.
forever.
The Great Northfield, Minnesota Raid.
Yeah. And I was on screen, gosh, like 20, 30 times.
Okay, let's mix this up, Brent, and we'll see if we need another...
Oh, another half? Okay.
Well, that's just 2, so we will.
So what are you looking for in this texture?
Something that I can form
In the fingers?
into fingers.
Is there one particular finger that you...
Which finger are we going for here?
Yeah, let's...
One with a knuckle.
How about the pointer finger? Let's
Okay.
just not to be
So
misunderstood
that's
at
not
all.
tall man, that's not ring man.
Pointer man.
Mr. Thumpkin. Where is Thumpkin? Where?
Oh, honey, we don't... Nobody does that anymore.
What is it?
Index.
Index finger?
No, but they don't call it that. For
I mean the
kids.
little game for the kids?
I have no idea.
We don't really know.
Okay, so let's get a 1/2 cup of flour just in case. And then we're gonna roll it out into very long ropey things.
Where do you roll it on?
We'll just go right here on the quartz. See, it's got a good, it's a little sticky right now. We kind of want it on the drier side. I just
How much?
spread half of that on there and see. And it all depends on your humidity and the temperature outside. And so normally I'd do it in the KitchenAid, but that would just make a lot of noise. And so while I'm doing this, if you want to cover that cookie sheet in
Parchment?
parchment.
Parchment.
It comes in a 2-pack. Okay, so we're getting close here. Smells good. We'll just do a little bit more. Good enough.
Why?
Because I want it stiffer so I can roll it out and it'll hold its shape. You don't want a finger rolled and then
Get a droopy
it'll
finger.
bleh inside the oven. Okay, I'm going to take off my rings here in a sec.
It's pretty much done with us.
I think so. Just leave it out over there, maybe.
Yes, ma'am.
Chef.
Chef, yes, chef.
I did this for the first time last year, and everyone liked it.
You may have gathered that Logan is filming it, and Elaine is manning the other high-tech
She's
camera.
the other giggle goes on. All right, I need half of this in flour because we're going to roll it out on the thing here.
What about just a half cup here? Maybe?
Yeah, okay. I want this dry so we can roll it out. What is this here?
Shall I?
What is this here? Put it right here. Thank you. Okay.
That's the lid to the flour,
I know.
or the sugar.
Okay, so now, watch Brent. You gotta watch all this. We're gonna spread that out. I'll take my those jewels. We don't want to eat them.
That'd be cool if you could put rings on the fingers.
Oh, that would be fun. Okay. Okay. This can go down the sink. And you don't have to knead this because it's
Kind of a shortbread?
yeah, kind of. All right, let's cut it in half by that edge of my palm. Okay, so you're gonna roll this, Brent.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Chef, sorry.
I'll roll it over here. So here's the recipe if you wanna.
So we're looking for a normal size finger, not a fat finger or anything.
I don't care.
Because I've got a giant
Whatever
finger here now.
finger you want to use.
Well, I'm going to use a pointer finger.
Let me see how that's too fat. We want to get lots of them. Probably could have used that other half a cup.
Of
Flour.
Yeah. Okay, you can roll this one. I'll roll this one. How's that?
okay.
Yeah, it should have had the other half a cup. So probably 3 cups of flour would have been perfect.
No, would these not work out
They might be a little,
flat?
yeah, I don't know.
These don't rise, do they?
No, there's no leavening in it.
Okay.
Unleavened bread.
Yeah, these are Jewish
see, that
fingers.
works, goes. What's that mean?
Jewish
unleavened?
fingers? Yeah.
Okay, what am I thinking here?
Okay, everybody else thinking, what is going on here? What am I doing watching this? Okay, there we go.
Okay, so we're gonna cut them. Where's the not cutting thing? And then you want to kind of point the finger. Okay. So make one end pointy.
Oh, like my finger.
Okay, I'm gonna set this right here.
You put them over there.
When do you put the fingernails on?
Well, we're gonna do that in a minute, but we're just gonna. I'm gonna press a hole here.
Oh, no, yeah.
Oh, gee.
What?
Oh, it's starting to creep me out here.
Then the key is making knuckles. So I discovered this little spot right here. If you go like, boop, like that, you get a knuckle. That's a 2 knuckle.
But it doesn't that line needs to go straight across. So
Oh.
nobody has a crease like that.
Okay. Which way are we doing this one?
That's the front. That's the,
Oh, okay. So you can get the almond things. Oh, sorry, wrong way. There we go.
They're starting to look like
Fingers.
Like our fingers.
Okay, now we're gonna add the fingernails.
Yeah, you could use a lot of things.
We of course
it's a huge finger.
Okay, I'll lob it off.
Oh, that was cool.
Andre the Giant's finger.
Skeletor's finger.
Let me see.
That's Logan's voice you're hearing. So the trick is to get the almond to stay in there. Yeah. And a long curvy one like a witch. Oh dear. Any road.
It does kind of get
creepy.
weird here, yeah. Oops. Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Like, oh, they're all lumpy.
Well, I think we can
Witch's fingers or something.
we can straighten them out.
Oh. That looks like a toe.
We can make toenails.
Yeah.
Toes. Here, let me make a toe.
Giant's toe.
Yeah,
Like from
giant's toe.
There's one ugly toe.
It might take 2 almonds.
Yep, I think we might. Oh, that is really.
That's a big toe.
That's a big toe. So there we are. There we go. I'm going to put it in the oven. 350 for how many minutes is it? 10 minutes. Let's see how they look. So it took a little longer than 10 minutes, so I'd say maybe like 15. Pull this guy out. There's our fingers. Come over here. Cooling there. Then I whipped up some cream cheese frosting, and we thought we might need a bloody end to this, or nail polish, either one. But we'll have to wait to let it cool. The stub end. This guy, I don't know who had that finger, but
It's my finger.
Oh man.
you get the drift.